How to add page numbers in Canva. So if you want to basically add page numbers in Canva, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your page and just go to canva.com, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now, what you have to do from here is you will see this type of interface where you can see your Canva design. Now, let's say you have added multiple page numbers. So I'll click on add page and add page. Normally, the page numbers are already added by default. Right here, you can see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and stuff, right? But if you want to add a manual page, you can just add it as a text inside. So here you can just type in page 1. And once you type in page 1 right from here, control C it and control V at the bottom and just rename this to page 2. Similarly, you can come down and control V again, which is to paste it. Then just type in page 3. You can do this manually, or if you don't really need to write within the document, the page number will also be written on this particular title. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.